guys, it's Matt Simpson from BMS Maritimo. Today we're going to show you some tips and tricks on tying fenders. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so depending on the size and model of your boat, you're going to want 3 to 4 fenders. One aft, one in the centre, or 2 in the centre, and possibly one up the front. Now you want to make sure it's not too far forward on the curvature of the hull, as it won't be effective when it moves. Okay, so with adjusting fenders, you want to make sure that it's not too low that the bottom of the fender's hanging in the water down there. And you want to make sure it's not too high up that it's going to clear the jetty. You want to make it perfect height, somewhere about there, and then you lock it off at that height. So a neat little trick I like to do here when you've got excess hangage on your rope, is looping it along as such, turn it, you keep feeding it through itself to make a bow-like pattern with that end of the rope, pull it through, tie it off. Okay, so this time we'll do a demonstration on how to tie a rope off on a cleat. Same thing again, make sure your fender's adjusted at the correct height. Depending on your cleat style, put it through the centre, wrap it around in a figure of 8 pattern, and you lock it off as such. I normally do 2 figure of 8s and 2 locks, and that should be plenty. Thanks for joining us and watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed our tips and tricks on tying ropes